In today's video, I wanted to share a couple of tips with you in case you are looking for ways to elevate the look of your family room and you really don't want to spend a whole lot of money. These are changes you could actually do immediately. You could do a combination of a couple of the tips and you should see a transformation from it. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Tricia. I am your interior design strategist and coach, here to help you with design strategy to create a beautiful space that feels just like you. So let's go ahead and dive right into the first tip. So the first tip is to remove the small items out of your family room. I have been in homes where people have furniture and decor that they've collected and they don't even notice in the space. They don't really like it. They just have it there because they don't have another place for it. These are the items that I'm talking about. Do you truly need it in the space? Maybe this is an opportunity to do some decluttering and remove the items you truly do not need. All it is doing is collecting dust. I know a lot of people love candles, and guess what? I've seen tables full of candles. These are candles that have been burned and they are empty, but they are still on the table. Yes, it's time to remove them or refill them. If you have figurines, maybe you have a collection of figurines. Are these items that you truly love, or are they just placed there because you don't know where else to put it? Maybe it's time to rehome it to somebody who might really enjoy it and it looks great in their space. Take some time, look around and see if there's anything that really truly should be in that space. Having fewer items in the room actually looks intentional and very stylish. This is one of the first things I like to do when I'm working with the client is assessing what they currently have and seeing whether they really need it or does it need to be removed. The second tip that I want to share with you is to rearrange your furniture. A lot of times I feel like people position their furniture against the wall just out of default. It just feels safe or anchored by doing that. But what I would like for you to do is look around your room, look at how your furniture is currently arranged, and ask yourself, does it feel connected? For example, the family room, a lot of times we are looking at TV. How do you have the furniture positioned in the space? Is the furniture arranged in a way that everybody who comes into the space can feel comfortable and actually look at the TV? Is the arrangement encouraging conversation? Is it encouraging to do the things that you would like for people to do in the space? I would encourage you to reassess your furniture arrangement to see if the flow could be changed. And it's okay if the furniture is moved away from the wall. Maybe it's angled. It's okay to not have your sofa against the wall. Maybe you want to float the furniture in the middle of the space, especially if it's in front of the TV. That will feel more comfortable and easier for somebody to look at the TV. Maybe you don't really have to go out and buy anything new. Maybe it is the arrangement. Sometimes we are positioning our furniture not in the best places and it feels awkward. I would encourage you to consider rearranging your furniture to see if there's a better placement for it. Another tip that I want to share with you is mixing old and new decor together. If you really want to add personality and interest to the space, a lot of times you could just go and shop your home. Shop in other rooms, shop in your garage, or storage units that have old pieces or pieces that you've had for a long period of time that you may have forgotten. If you have inherited items from loved ones, this is a great opportunity to integrate that into the family room. I feel like it looks more curated that way when you incorporate not only new items but older items that can tell a story that means something to you. You could incorporate artwork, clocks, interesting sculptures, old pottery, things of that nature. These are the things that make your space unique. Trying a combination of these tips will truly help you elevate the look of your family room, and it will save you a lot of money. If you're looking for more design tips for the family room, I would consider watching this video next.